Hi guys, it's Ava, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make lip balm. We have 28 flavors with seasonal ones coming in and out throughout the year. Though making lip balm is time consuming, I think if anyone wants to try it at home, they should. In this video, I'm going to show everyone the step-by-steps of how I make our lip balms. I've also left links down below for different recipes, as our recipe is proprietary to the company and I can't give it away. But I can tell you what's in our recipe. So the first ingredient is avocado oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, and candelilla wax. It doesn't work the same as beeswax, so if you're going to be making your own recipe, I would definitely recommend playing around with ratios. Now that we have all of our ingredients in our heat-safe container, we're going to go ahead and melt everything together. If you're at home and you want to just do this for fun, you're more than welcome to use a microwave until everything is heated through. I would heat it in 30-second increments, give it a bit of a stir, and then continue. We're going to do the double boil method. So what we're going to do is fill a pot with 1 inch of water, and then we're going to place this in and slowly simmer it until everything is melted. So while our ingredients are melting, I'm going to go ahead and fill our lip balm tray. I'm running low on lip balm tubes, so I'm going to have to order a bunch more. So usually our recipe that we use fills up an entire tray, as well as a few extras that I can pipe after. Okay, so now we're going to measure out the flavor. Don't mind, I got rubbing alcohol on it, but we get our flavors from Nature's Flavors. This one is banana. And you always want to make sure whenever you're getting a flavor oil that it is for lip balm. It is safe for lip balm and for lips. When it comes to usage rates with flavor oils, you always want to check with your supplier. Okay, so now that this is fully melted, you want to make sure that all the water is wiped from the sides. Now, if you don't have a thermometer or a thermometer gun that'll tell you the temperature, what you want to do is just let it sit for about 10 minutes. So we're at 83. 83 is good. You always want to also check with your supplier the amount of heat that your flavor can hold, because sometimes if it's too hot, your flavor will evaporate. I'm obsessed with the banana smell. It smells so good. It smells just like those hard banana candies that you used to get when you would put 25 cents in the machine. So you just want to mix. You don't want to whisk it together. You just want to gently mix the flavor in with the oils and wax and butters. Okay, so now you want to bring your tray in. This is the most satisfying part, I find. And you just want to flood your tray. So I have a scraping tool. A lot of the time the trays will come with one. You can always use a spatula as well. And then what you want to do with the extra, you want to bring your bowl back and just dump it on in. So what we'll do is we will reheat this gently, a lot more gently, because there is flavor in it now. And we will top up the rest that got missed. So the next is completely optional, but they look pretty flat. If you want to get them perfect, you can use a heat gun, which I'm going to do right now, but that is completely optional. So while this is cooling off and setting up, you can go ahead and lid the other ones that we piped. I like to put it on an angle and snap it in. So now that this is all nice and flat, we can go ahead and take them out. What I like to do is I like to put a paper towel down, a clean one, flip it over, and just remove one by one. Okay, so now that everything is capped, we can sanitize and clean up each of the rims. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is label. If you don't have labels that you get from a label company, you can always go to Dollarama or go to Amazon and just get blank stickers. And all you have to do is, if you're selling at a farmer's market or just giving to friends and family, just write the flavor really and what it is. We are updating our labels, so these are the old ones, but they're perfect for just using up at markets. Okay, so the last step, which is something that is completely optional, is shrink wrapping. So because I'm in retail locations, everything has to be safety sealed. If you don't want to shrink wrap, you can stop right now and you have officially made lip balm. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching how we make our banana lip balm. Again, if you want to make some vegan lip balm yourself at home, I will have links down below of recipes.